Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? This is going to be another one of my grocery hauls. And you guys know, I say this all the time, I'm on keto diet, so a lot of this stuff is for keto. I think I did kind of treat myself for one thing, but I just did Walmart pickup. You guys know, if you've seen any of my other grocery food hauls, you know, I love my Walmart grocery pickup, but I think we have an issue today, and I've never had this problem before where they forget something, but I'm pretty sure that they forgot my eggs, because when the girls were loading it in my car, I was like, if you find the eggs, I'll just take them with me so I can put them in the front seat so they don't get broken. And they even looked through some of the bags that they had already put in my trunk, and they didn't see the eggs there. So I didn't take any eggs to my front seat because they didn't see the eggs. And even as they were putting the rest in the cart, they didn't see the eggs. And now when I got home and brought all the bags in, I didn't see any. So we will see. And then I don't know what you're supposed to do when that happens. But I'm kind of upset because eggs were they're like a staple in my diet. So I'm not going to be annoyed yet. We're going to look. I don't think I saw them though. Hopefully though too, that was like it. If that is the only thing that is missing. We got a lot of bags here because they put like one thing in each bag. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I don't see eggs at all. I'm gonna spit out my gum though, just for you guys. All right, I'm gonna pull up my thing because I had a few substitutions too. I hate having to edit, especially these haul videos. I'm sweating. Sorry, I just brought all that stuff in, and it's hot in my house, you guys know. So I'm gonna pull up, what was that? The app as I go along, because like I said, pretty sure I don't see eggs. All right, so I only had 3 substitutions. I'll just go over those first. And then some things weren't available, but I did go to ALDI before I picked up from Walmart because they're super close together. And I got my cheeses because I couldn't get any of my cheese from Walmart because it was out of stock. So I had ordered feta cheese and the wedge that I usually get of the Parmesan cheese but from Walmart, but they were out of stock. So I just got that from ALDI, I'll show it. I ordered just regular grape tomatoes, like a pint of it, and I guess they were out, so they gave me organic grape tomatoes, which will come up to. I ordered a variety pack of the sparkling ice drinks to make keto alcoholic drinks, but they were out of that, so they gave me 2 things of LaCroix, which I'll just go ahead and show those. This is just what they substituted it for. I've never tried LaCroix, so we're gonna see what the hype is about, I guess. So they substituted these ones. What flavor is this? Sparkling watermelon. So I got 2 things of watermelon to, I guess, replace the variety pack of the sparkling ice drinks that they were out of. And then they replaced just a huge tub of my coconut oil with 2 smaller ones to equal the big one. But let's see, because I'm pretty sure they forgot my eggs too. All right, I already see some of this stuff that's first. This is gonna be kind of annoying for me to edit later on, but I'm gonna try to look for the stuff in order of right here so I can make sure that I got everything. This is the first time I've had to do that. It's better than me counting all the items. I think it's just gonna be easier. So this is the thing that I splurged on. I had to cheat and get me some Cheetos. This is the Cheeto Flaming Hot Cheetos with limon. I know I should wash my hands. Don't come for me or whatever. So good. That was first thing I should have got. I got this type of coconut oil only because I wanted a version of refined coconut oil, and I also wanted unrefined because I'm pretty sure it's refined coconut oil that doesn't have a flavor. It doesn't taste like coconut, but unrefined tastes very coconutty. And so for some recipes, I like it to taste like coconut. In my coffee, I don't. They were out of the regular Great Value brand, so I just got this one. It was basically the same price, I'm pretty sure. Let me look at my list. My phone's dying, which is no bueno. I really should go get my charger. I got these M&Ms. They're the crispy ones. I got this for my friend's birthday present. That's not even for me, so I only got 1 of those for her. Got 2 things of broccoli florets. You guys know these. They're only $1. I'm just gonna throw these in my freezer. Always buy broccoli because I need it. Broccoli's so good. So then I ordered single things of the sparkling ice. So I had ordered 4 of 2 different flavors of the sparkling ice, and then I ordered the variety pack, but the variety pack was out of stock. So I got 4 of each of these flavors that are in their own bags, which is good. So I just got a bag of 4 of these flavors, which is just kiwi strawberry. I love these, and these are good for making keto summery drinks. So I got 4 of those, and then I got 4 of this flavor, which is just peach nectarine. I'm pretty sure that one's gonna explode. Great. Oh no. Should I just let it? It's gonna waste it all. Oh, I got it to not explode. Oh, it's so good. All right, I'm pretty sure those are the only flavors, those that I got, since I got a substitution for the variety pack, which would have had different flavors in there too, but that's fine. So then I have watermelon of the other things. Right on top, Got my usual thing. I didn't get mixed greens this time. I only got a huge thing of baby lettuce, and I got the organic one just because price-wise, I've mentioned this before, it like works out. So I just got one huge thing of the spinach. Love spinach, my favorite. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize these cheese bags were so huge. What the heck? What the heck? I've never grabbed one. I didn't know that these were so large. They're like bigger than my head. Okay, that was kind of my bad, because I got 2 bags and I literally almost got 4 because I thought that they were the half of this size. But so I grabbed 2 of these, but also keto and sharp cheddar cheese. Not mild cheddar cheese, you gotta get the sharp cheddar cheese. I use these in a lot of keto recipes. So if you're vegan, vegetarians eat cheese, right? Yeah. But if you're vegan, I'm really sorry. Those are such large bags, I had to put them in the bottom drawer, which actually I'm probably gonna have to move those. But I think they're too heavy to put in the top drawer. Not that you guys care. I got some acai powder because I have been loving making my acai smoothies. I showed it on my Instagram, my recipe. I'll try to remember to show it in a vlog also because it is so good, so good. But I was using packets from Trader Joe's, and the Trader Joe's is kind of a ways for me. I just don't feel like going. So I found they have acai powder there at Walmart. And this one doesn't have, it's got 0 sugars, 0 added sugars, and 1 gram of carbs. So this is perfect. I got this, I don't even know how much this was. $9, not too bad depending on how much it takes to make it. So I'll have to double check on that. I got some matcha just because I made a Teami order, like I placed a Teami order and I forgot to get matcha. I just ordered this matcha. There's barely any in this. I think this was like $10, $7. There's literally like barely anything in here, it feels like. 3.5 ounces, and it's only filled to like there. All right, so I showed the cheese. Avocados, where are my avocados? So I got 2 things of avocado. You guys already know, they picked really good ones. They're both, none of them are ripe. Ooh, this one's kind of getting there. But none of them are ripe yet, which is good. So I got 2 things of avocado. Got this thing, please don't tell me they forgot something else too. It seems like they forgot a whole basket. Okay, but I got my cottage cheese. You guys know me and the cottage cheese just works out, so I got a thing of cottage cheese for snacks. And lately I've been really craving cottage cheese. It's really weird, even by itself. Like I lately haven't been eating it with mandarin oranges. So I saw someone list on their like keto haul or keto grocery recipe. Barbie, what are you doing? She's trying to get to my plants. This brand of yogurt, it's the Too Good brand. So I just got mixed berry. It's just flavored Greek yogurt, but it's only got 2 grams of sugar and 3 grams of carbs. So it's okay for keto. So I got 2 mixed berry just to try and see how they taste, you know. Might have to rearrange my fridge a little bit. What, Barbie? What's wrong? So I had to get some more of the Bang energy drinks because they're so good, and lately I've just kind of low-key been craving them. So I got a 4-pack. Don't judge me, don't come for me, but you can drink these on keto. Love that for me. They're probably still not the healthiest thing ever, but whatever. So I got Blue Raz, it's just a pack of 4. And then I got 2 of the, what is this, Frosted Rose? I just saw them. 2 of this flavor just to try it. Froze Rose. My favorite one, I think, is the, what is it, lemon? And pina colada. There's a lemon one, I think, but pina colada too are my 2 favorites, but they didn't have those at my Walmart. So I just got 2 of that flavor. Just for some recipes that I've been craving, like this type of like salad that I'll probably show you guys. I know, another salad. Yes, you guys know I'm obsessed with salads. I just got a thing of bacon bits pieces because you guys know I'm moving, so I don't want to make huge messes, especially cooking. So I didn't want to make my own bacon. Like bacon's like the worst thing to cook. So I just got bacon bits. I know, not the healthiest, but I do what I can. And then I got 2 things of these romaine hearts this time. I didn't get the iceberg lettuce, like head of a lettuce, because lately it's just been so annoying to peel it apart. And I've been putting my eggs in these, basically like an egg taco type thing. So I just got 2 of these because I go through a lot of this actually. I wish I had eggs. Alright, yeah, this cheese is good. I'm gonna have to figure something out with this cheese. Segundo. Something, you guys, that I was craving. I was craving it, so I had to do it, and it's probably also, I didn't even check to see the macros of it, see if it's okay for keto. But I want to eat pulled pork, like this recipe that I like to make sometimes. I just got a thing of the Jack Daniel's pulled pork. I'm pretty sure it's already cooked. You just kind of heat it up. So that's easy. Oh my God, 23 carbs. Sugars is 18 grams. I'm not supposed to eat this. Servings per container is 5. So it's that divided by 5, right? Right? Or do you multiply it by 5? I forget, but I know that that's not good for me keto-wise. But I wanted to make this mixed with coleslaw mix on top of it inside of the romaine hearts. So good. I'll probably show you guys that too. But so I got this, and then to go with it, I picked up 2 bags of just coleslaw mix. So it's just the cabbage basically chopped up, already done for me, but like together is so good. Okay, I don't know where to put this. I probably should actually take out my spinach and put it in my lettuce bowl. I don't know. Oh, in here, and then I would have more room in there, huh? I'll have to do that later. Still really mad about my eggs. Then I grabbed some olives for my salad. Okay, so I only got 2 things. I just get the Great Value brand because they're just, it's not that big a deal. They're just olives for my salads. Also for my salads, I just got a thing of red onions. I'm probably gonna have to freeze some of these. I just kind of chop them up and freeze it like that. I don't really like freezing red onions, but it's price-wise, it was better to just get a bag of it like this. And this is a 2-pound bag. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in there. So it's a lot for me by myself. So I'm gonna have to freeze some. Oh my God, and then it gets to the eggs, which are not here. The eggs are not here. I really needed my eggs. I'm low-key gonna cry because I needed my freaking eggs. So I'm gonna have to go out tomorrow and get my eggs. All right, so I finally picked up some more of the Kerrygold butter. I just grab whichever one really is in stock, but it has to be this brand because it's, why can't I think of what it's called? Grass-fed. So I just picked up 2 of these, so technically I have 4. But I had taken all of these to my mom's house, so I had like no butter here. So I got 2 of these. Probably put 1 here. See, these are the acai packets from Trader Joe's that are so good, and I only have 1 left. So I'm gonna have to look at that paper though and see how many scoops of that I'll probably need to make the equivalent of that flavor because it's perfect. Just got 1 little stick of this. Cool. And then for snacks, since I got used to getting them, I have to have them now. Just got a thing of pistachios for when I just want to snack on something, and when I finish up all of my Flaming Hot Cheetos, I'll have a healthier snack. And then I got stuff for my coffee. Had to get these guys. I just got 2 of these French vanilla coffee creamers. These are the powder ones, so they last a little bit longer. You don't have to worry about them being in the fridge, which I like, and they just last longer. Sugar-free for keto. So I got 2 of those. Yes, Barbie. But I did also get the liquid version too, just to use them up first. So it's literally the same thing, just liquid forms. I got 2 of these. I don't know why I do the things that I do sometimes, but that happened. I like to mix that though with heavy cream, you guys know. Usually freeze it. So I got a thing of heavy cream also. I don't know why I didn't just put this in here. I think something else is missing too. Oh no, it's right there. I was about to say. Here is my organic tomatoes, which you guys know I got as a substitute. So organic tomatoes. Got some sour cream because I like to make basically like a taco bowl type thing. Always need sour cream, it just adds the finishing touch to it. And then I wasn't gonna grab these, but I realized I had bought a ton of cheese that I thought I was gonna be getting, but I ended up getting from Aldi. So this actually doesn't have that much in here. I should have just paid a few cents more and got the pack that I always get because that pack has so much in it, but I haven't really, I feel like I was eating pepperoni too much, which is why I wasn't really buying it, but with all the cheese that I got, I love it as a snack to just eat cheese and pepperoni. Ugh, a vegan's nightmare, I know. And then the last things, because you know what they forgot, is just my coconut oil that they had to substitute, giving me 2 of these small ones instead of just the 1 large one that I ordered. So this one is unrefined. So these ones are gonna taste more like coconut. Oh, I'll show you guys what I got from Aldi, I almost forgot. It's just a lot of cheese. So if you don't like cheese, you're gonna hate this. So I got my Parmesan cheese wedge from Aldi because they were out of stock at Walmart. I got just this huge chunk of feta because they didn't have crumbled up feta. So like, how do I do this? It's literally a chunk in water. I hear it. I do with this to make it crumbly. But like for my salad recipes that I want to make, I need feta. So so I just grabbed this. They didn't have any at Walmart. And then I had to pick up some more of the Munster because this stuff is so good. This was the last pack at Aldi. So I was very lucky because that was the main cheese. That and the feta were the main cheeses I went in there for. And then I got 2 things of the Swiss cheeses because they were a little bit marked down. They were like on sale at Aldi. So got 2 things of Swiss cheese. So good. Gonna be so good with pepperoni. All right, so that is it for this grocery haul. Barbie's freaking out because she hears me say the C word. You like cheese? Yeah, it's like that. I'm gonna put the rest of the stuff away and probably kind of reorganize the fridge, and I'm gonna figure out what to do about these eggs because it's okay. I know they're busy. I'm sure they're busy. There's a lot going on in the world. There's bigger problems than that. I can get some tomorrow. So I'm gonna figure this out, but usually this is the first time. I always order my food for pickup at Walmart, and I've never had this issue before, so I can't really be mad at it. But I'm gonna figure out what I need to do to fix that situation. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know why, I just like doing food hauls. It's like interesting to see what people are eating, especially if you're on a certain diet. And I know a lot of people are doing keto right now. And maybe one day I'll talk a little bit more about how I do my keto. But yeah, you guys don't want to hear that right now. But give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and you want to see some more of my recipes as well. And you like me doing my hauls. Subscribe if you guys haven't. Make sure you hit the little bell so that you're notified when I post more videos because they're coming along. I'm trying to get them out. I got a new computer so I can edit now. I can actually edit my videos now because my other computer was like so stuck and broken. But yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Okay, so I just got off the phone with Walmart. I had to call the customer service because it doesn't give you an option like on the app to say like, oh, something's missing. It just gives you the option to return something if you like didn't like a substitution or didn't like something that they picked for you. It only gives you an option for return and not to say that something's missing. So I had to call. It was a super fast call. Lady was super nice. She refunded it. I will probably be right back at Walmart probably tomorrow to go buy eggs though because I need eggs. But yeah, it was super easy, kind of annoyed, and I feel like it was kind of also my fault because when the girls were looking and they didn't see the eggs in the bags, I should have been like, oh, well, are they here? Let's make sure I have my eggs at all. That was my bad. I thought that they were just overlooking it in the bags that were already in the car, so I didn't want to make them go through every single bag, but I guess I should have. So that's also why I can't be mad. I feel like it was kind of my fault too. I should have asked them to make sure that the eggs were there. But yeah, it got resolved. I'm gonna have to just go get the eggs tomorrow because I can't be eggless. But yeah, otherwise I always have a good experience with Walmart, and it was super easy. They gave me the return, and they're gonna get the money anyways because I'm gonna go back there and get the eggs. So yeah, that was resolved though.